two, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk? I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my
Pipiliin ko, anak ng mangingisda. Sisid siya, sisid ako, sa taon. Sisiraan kami, hanggang mahuli yung rumpi.
J. Altamar.